Top 5 Books for Beginning Forex Traders. Welcome to the world of Forex, a complex yet intriguing realm of currency trading. Thankfully, there are books out there to guide you, from basic introductions to advanced strategies. We've picked 5 top choices to transform your trading journey. Currency Trading for Dummies is a perfect starting point. It gives clear instructions and an overview of the Forex market. It's an excellent resource for beginners and a good refresher for seasoned traders. Kathy Leon's Day Trading and Swing Trading the Currency Market combines theory with practical learning. It provides insight into the fundamental and technical Forex trading strategies designed to yield regular profits. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen introduces readers to a versatile technical analysis tool. It's an ideal resource for those seeking to elevate their trading strategies. Courtney Smith's How to Make a Living Trading Foreign Exchange offers 6 strategies to earn a steady income by trading. It covers risk management techniques and trading psychology, including Smith's unique rejection rule. Jim Brown's Forex Trading, The Basics Explained in Simple Terms, is excellent for beginners. It covers the basics of Forex and Forex markets, trading psychology, and tips for choosing a broker. Brown also shares his own trading strategy. Drop a comment below on which books you plan on reading in 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading!